Hey, look, I have a redwood hat.
And I have an Ultraman mask.
I have a foam mask.
What? Foam is a mask? That's not real. Go away, Grandma. Don't play with us.
Just wait for me. Dear grandson, will you please make an Ultraman mask for me too?
Of course, my dear grandma. We'll make a special one just for you. Hey, brother and sister, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support means everything to me.
Yes, please. Subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel. Wow, that's even cooler than mine. Told you, never underestimate Grandma.
Love, creativity, and kindness. That's the real superpower.